Question 6. The equation of the curve is 2y square plus 3xy plus x is equal to x square. This is the equation of the curve. Show that dy over dx is equal to 2x minus 3y minus 1 over 4y plus 3x. This is the equation of the curve and this function is an implicit function because implicit function क्या होता है और यहाँ से हम y को सब्जेक्ट नहीं बना सकते तो वहाँ से हमने dy by dx फाइंड करना है तो we will differentiate this function with respect to x. Each term will be differentiated with respect to x. Then we can find dy by dx. We have to show that dy by dx is this. Two y square plus 3xy plus x is equal to x square. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x each term on both sides. Differentiation of 2y square. When it is differentiated with respect to x, we will get 4y dy over dx plus next term is 3xy. यहाँ पे product rule use होगा because there are two terms multiplied x and y. 3 is a quotient, so we can take 3 outside the bracket. X dy over dx plus y into 1 product rule used on xy, we get this plus differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 on the right hand side. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Now simplifying 4y dy over dx plus 3x dy over dx plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 2x. Now we can take common dy over dx from these two terms. Dy over dx is common. 4y plus 3x. The remaining terms these can be go to right hand side and the sign will be changed. 2x minus 3y minus 1. Dy over dx will be 2x minus 3y minus 1 over 4y plus 3x. And this is shown. ये हमने शो करना था. And the next part B of this question, hence show that the curve does not have a tangent that is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, tangent parallel to x-axis means gradient is 0. Like this is the diagram. Diagram कुछ इस तरह की हो सकती है. Let this is a curve. This is a tangent parallel to x-axis. This line is the parallel to x-axis. This shows that dy over dx is equal to 0. This shows that dy over dx is equal to 0. We have found already dy over dx. in the previous part. So this function will be, this is a gradient function, this function will be equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 1 minus 1 over 4y plus 3x is equal to 0. By cross multiplying, this will be multiplied by 0, becomes 0, and we get 2x plus minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is the straight line equation. So from here, we can make y the subject. We can write it in slope intercept form. Y is equal to 3y is equal to 2x minus 1. Y is equal to 2x minus 1 over 3. Now the equation of the curve is 2y square plus 3xy plus x is equal to x square. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously, putting the value of y, that is 2x minus 1 over 3 here in the equation of the curve. We will get an equation purely in x. So putting this value of y here, we get 2 into y square mean 2x minus 1 over 3 whole square plus 3x into 2x minus 1 over 3 plus x square plus x is equal to x square. Now simplifying it, the 3 से 3 cancel हो जाता है. Now squaring this fraction, we get 2 2 into 4x square plus 1 minus 4x over 9 plus 2x square minus x plus x is equal to x square plus minus x will cancel out, or we get 8x square plus 2 minus 8x over 9 is equal to minus x square. This 2x square moves on the right side, will become minus 2x square, x square minus 2x square, that is minus x square. Now by cross multiplying process, we get 8x square plus 2 minus 8x is equal to minus 9x square. Writing the equation in standard form, 17x square minus 8x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now since the tangent curve does not have a tangent that is parallel to x-axis, this equation नहीं बनती, because uh, if we are taking a discriminant from here, we get the negative value. So this shows that the curve does not have a tangent that is parallel to x-axis. So from this quadratic equation, we will find discriminant b square minus 4ac, that is minus 8 square minus 4 into 17 into 2, simplifying 64 minus 136 we get a negative value, that is negative 72. This shows that discriminant is negative. Discriminant is negative. This shows that no solution. No solution means that curve does not have a tangent. This shows that curve does not have a tangent that is parallel to x-axis.